times have changed and technologies have emerged, and we now have very easy, simple, effective, and engaging option to teach our students. Career Academy Senior Secondary School marks a significant step by embracing the power of technology and become first ever smart school in Sirmaur.
Unlike traditional blackboard, this technology enhances the interactive experience of the learner, bringing lessons to life through visual content like images, diagrams, and animations. It offers incredible features such as split the screen as well as partition of the screen. In this way, comparison-based questions can easily be explained. Lessons are saved as well as shared with the student for customized learning experience as well as efficient revision.
It provides a better classroom management with a variety of tools and features like geometrical shapes, figures, diagrams, and maps. It has a variety of maps: thematic map, political map, physical map, and climatic map. If we talk about map, in political map, we can easily differentiate how many states and how many union territories are there. Just like with using this stencil, I can easily show you how many UTs are there. Just like we have 8 UTs: Jammu, Ladakh, Chandigarh, New Delhi, Dadra Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, and Andaman and Nicobar. We can easily monitor the students' progress by taking online test, mock test, and class test, where questions are directly uploaded by using split screen in 2 series. It has reduced the usage of paper and time consumption.
Moreover, the screen display is visible in clarity, unlike the traditional blackboards where the students sitting at the back benches find it difficult to see.
Digital boards provide us high-definition interactive content, and we, in collaboration with Extra Marks, the digital learning app, are also offering a comprehensive study material, mock test, practice questions, and assessments to know the strengths and weaknesses of our students. And in case the teacher is absent, the classroom study will not be affected. One of the biggest drawbacks of traditional blackboards is the produced chalk dust, which may trigger many allergic reactions. But this technology creates chalk dust-free environment.
इस टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से हम स्क्रीन पर वर्कशीट को आसानी से प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। वर्कशीट के माध्यम से हम छात्रों का प्रयास करवाकर उनके ज्ञान स्तर का आकलन आसानी से करके समय को बचाकर इसका पूरा लाभ उठा सकते हैं। यह बोर्ड केवल मैथ्स, साइंस, एसएस, इंग्लिश जैसे विषयों तक ही सीमित नहीं है। इसका प्रयोग हम हिंदी, संस्कृत जैसे विषयों में करके उसे अत्यधिक प्रभावशाली बनाकर छात्रों तक प्रस्तुत कर सकते हैं। इस टेक्नोलॉजी के माध्यम से हम छात्रों के मन में अध्ययन के प्रति रुचि को उत्पन्न करके उनकी शिक्षण प्रणाली को अत्यधिक आकर्षक बनाकर छात्रों के समक्ष प्रस्तुत कर सकते हैं। यह छात्रों की सीखने की क्षमता को बढ़ाने में अत्यंत सहायक है। इसके द्वारा शिक्षण अत्यधिक आकर्षक बनता है एवं छात्र पढ़ने में अत्यधिक रुचि लेना पसंद करते हैं।
The use of digital resources, including the e-books, help the students to be liberated from carrying heavy bags to school. It is correct to say that Career Academy Senior Secondary School is first ever digital school in district Sirmaur. It will be very beneficial and fruitful for overall development of the students.
At our school, we believe that every student is unique with their own strengths, passions, and aspirations. Our commitment is to foster a student-oriented environment where learning is personalized, curiosity is encouraged, and talents are nurtured. Equipping school with modern technology prepares students for future. Through interactive teaching methods, we aim to equip our students with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to excel in all aspects of life.